How to survive an ex-girlfriend. There's probably a few people out there that are going to ask about, well, what if it's a boyfriend? Look, I don't have any experience in that area. You're going to have to find somebody else to make that video for you. I can tell you about the ex-girlfriend. There are two reasons why an ex-girlfriend might be bothering you. The first reason is she might be trying to hurt you. Now that could be emotional, could be physical. So I think the best option in that situation is to avoid, evade, and hide. Now, the Victorinox Classic is not exactly a disguise, but you can use it to create a disguise. So what you can do is you can use the scissors, give yourself a new haircut, maybe shave. You could probably rough up your clothes, look a little disheveled. Maybe you could be a homeless man. Yeah, you could probably do that pretty well. Disguise yourself as a homeless man. Look, she's not going to find you if you're disguised as a homeless man. But even if she does, she's not going to want to be around you. Oh, don't bathe. Don't bathe anymore. That'll help. You'll be all stinky and dirty, and your clothes will be disheveled. Your hair will be cut up weird and messed up. So she'll either be disgusted and leave you alone, or if she's a kind-hearted person, she might take pity on you and leave you alone, thinking that she ruined your life. And I think that's the best you can hope for. So the second scenario, your ex-girlfriend is trying to get back with you. Now, you might not even need your Victorinox Classic for this. This is just a little personal advice. What you want to do is be yourself. I know. It's disgusting. Nobody could possibly like you. But that's the point. Be yourself. Be your disgusting, revolting self, and that'll surely drive her away. And if it doesn't, I strongly recommend you consider changing your mind. This is the girl for you. If anybody can put up with your trash, your disgusting behaviors, and they still want to be with you, you got a winner. Embrace it. Stay safe out there, guys. Bye.